Yeah, nice, 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 nice. I hope you guys remember the video I made showing you the result of the Forex Trendy stuff. I told you that was how to make $41 a day. Now, I'm telling you again to see. This is how to make $69 a day. See, how to make $68, $69 a day. All in the name of using one tool that shows where the market is going. And you holding on to that trade. You can see swap that I've been holding trade for days. And I never even use a big lot on this type of things. You know what I mean? I use small, tiny lot. You know? And this is the way I know that this is the best way how to trade. Because many of us, we want to make what we're going to make in a month, we want to make it in one day. And that's why, any small changes in the market might blow our account. But when you know where the market is going and you're following it, and you calculate your lot size and you're following it, having that tool that can show you where is that pair going. Is that not the only thing you need? That you see that you have a tool that shows you confidence about where the market is going, and all you do is you get your chart set up properly with your arrow that is telling you to get in. What else would you need? See, it's real account again. I show you real. And all those things that you got the mindset of, you must get a big lot in. You must make what you're gonna make in 1 month. You wanna make it in 1 day. All those feelings will get away from you, because you know that yes, you gotta put the lot size that at least you can be able to make something good in a month. And month after month after month, you continue to make by repeating the same thing over and over again. With the Forex Trendy under this video, which I'm going to put in there, showing you where the pair is going, and you'll be getting results like this, even better than this. And you get your arrow link also is also going to be under this video. There's one guy that asked me the other day, which arrow am I using? Can I send the link? The link is going to be under this video. Please check it. As you can see, again, I'm showing you it's a live account. It's real. As you can see it, it's not fake. You understand? The only thing we need to do is just know exactly where's that market going and follow it. This is how to make $67 a day. You can see. Okay. I will brief you again. Thank you.